न्यूज़ पेपर है। ठीक है, मोटर निकल नहीं रहा पूरे इसका लेट है बेटा। We are sitting at Nukkad. This is a quaint eatery which is at Gorakhpur, opposite Atithi restaurant, and we have with us Mr. Mahendra Singh Dabi. Now, when we talk about Dabi, I've heard this name a lot, so I mean, you own all those cafes by the name of Dabi and all?
Yes, actually Dabi है एक छोटा सा इटली हमने खोला था डाबी कैफे के नाम से, एंड देन आफ्टर हमने एक आउटलेट, दो आउटलेट, तीन आउटलेट, देन हम 4 से 5 आउटलेट के बाद हमने डाबी के नाम से किए। तो नॉर्मली लोग बोलते हैं डाबी DAB अच्छा ही, लेकिन होता है उसको साउंड करता है DAB है, डाबी कॉफ़ी बार,
डाबी बोलते हैं,
डाबी कॉफ़ी बार। तो इट्स अ वेरी स्मॉल फूड चेन।
ओके। बहुत सारे देखे हैं। आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी फेमस नेम एज फार एज डाबी कॉफ़ी इज कंसर्न्ड।
थैंक यू।
So यहाँ पर ये खोलने का क्या आपका what was the objective?
ये बहुत सेंट्रलाइज एरिया है। जदीद बंगलो रोड मतलब ना तो सिंधु भवन जाना है, ना रिंग रोड जाना है, ना मानिक चौक जाना है, ना लॉ गार्डन जाना है। और यहाँ पर हमारे पास में हमने जो ब्रांड पहले की है वो हमारे पास में लॉ गार्डन की फेमस, मानिक चौक की फेमस ब्रांड भी है, और न्यू अहमदाबाद की फेमस ब्रांड भी है हमारे पास में।
ओके।
तो हमने एक छोटा स्टार्टअप करने को, तो फुटपाथ लोग खोलते हैं बहुत बड़े बड़े लेवल पे, तो हमने सोचा कि क्यों एक छोटा और एक बहुत सटल फुटपाथ खोला। इट्स क्वाइट फेमस, 40 से 45 साल पुरानी ब्रांड है, और सब अहमदाबादी जो गुजराती खाना खाते हैं या फिर अहमदाबाद के बाजी पावल सब में टेस्ट रखते हैं, उन्होंने उनकी ब्रांड नोइंग ब्रांड है बहुत। देन हमने लॉ गार्डन से जसूबेन शाह ओल्ड पिज़्ज़ा, अगेन 30 से 40 साल पुराने ब्रांड है, तो वो हमने ली। न्यू अहमदाबाद से हमारे पास में मैथली फूड्स है, काफ़ी अच्छा फूड, चाइनीज़ एंड इटालियन मैक्सिकन फूड, वो जो चाहिए वो दे सके। हमने ये चीज़ का यहाँ पे फूड पार्क को बनाने में ट्राई किया, और लोग ब्रांड लाने में अभी तक सक्सेस रहे हैं, और सब चीज़ें हम ला भी पाए।
So I think it's a place wherein you get all the comfort foods, all the great brands from Manik Chowk बोल लो, Law Garden बोल लो, those are here, and if you want to spend time with your friends in the evening, this is a great place to be. Beautiful ambience. I think it's a fantastic place, and let's check out some dishes out here.
हमारा फर्स्ट काउंटर तंदूरी मास्टर का है।
Okay.
वहाँ के आपको पनीर प्लेटर और मोमोज काफ़ी उसके यूनिक है, और आप अगर हेल्दी फूड और हाइजीनिक फूड भी जाते हो, हेल्थ कॉन्शियस हो, तो पनीर आई थिंक सबसे बेस्ट चीज़ है जो आप वेजिटेरियन में आप खा सकते हो। और हमारे पास में बहुत हेल्दी पनीर है उसमें। देन आफ्टर आप आओगे तो हमारे पास में पराठे वाली गली है, जिसके पराठे वो लोग प्योरली अमूल बटर एंड चीज़ में कुक करता है, तो काफ़ी हेल्दी और हाइजीनिक है उसकी भी चीज़। देन आपको जसूबेन शाह ओल्ड पिज़्ज़ा, मैथली फूड, महालक्ष्मी, महाराजा, अब किसी का भी कोई भी चीज़ आप उठा के ट्राई कर लीजिए, मैं श्योर हूँ कि आप कॉन्फिडेंस लेंगे कि आपको वो चीज़ अच्छी ही लगेगी। और आपको कोई भी नहीं अच्छी लगती है तो आप मुझे प्लीज़ वापस आके बताइएगा, हम उसको वापस अपडेट करने का ट्राई करेंगे और उसको सही करने का ट्राई करेंगे।
Fantastic. So as per Mr. Dabi, he doesn't have only one USP. I mean, all the dishes you get out here is the USP. Let us try out some dishes. that we have ordered. तो क्या क्या किया है आपने order?
डोसा ट्राई कर सकते हैं.
Okay guys, so you can see the broad smile on my face, and that is because of all this cheese in front of me and all this yummy dishes. We have the open cheese dosa over here. Okay, we have the Maharaja dosa over here, and we have the famous Juna ane Janita Jasubenna pizza over here. So let me try the open cheese pizza, open cheese dosa. Sorry. Has lot of cheese. This has lot of cheese. Trying with the sambar. Tastes nice, obviously, very nice. So, what is the difference between the making of this?
These two dosas. આને જે મિક્સર છે એમાં ચીઝ અને મસાલા બધા અને કોરિએન્ડર્સ અને બધું મિક્સ વેજીટેબલ્સ ને
Okay.
ચીઝ સાથે એને કાઇન્ડ ઓફ એક ગ્રેવી બનાવવાની ટ્રાય કરી છે. આમાં તમારું રો ચીઝ છે તો ડાયરેક્ટ ચીઝ ઉપરથી આપેલું છે. તો આમાં બેમાં આ જ ડિફરન્સ છે કે તમને આને ડીપ કરીને પછી ખાવાનું છે. આમાં ચીઝ ને બધી વસ્તુઓ મિક્સ છે.
Okay. So this one like
It's
you know
called
the
fancy
original dosa
That-
is the same as this one.
સેમ એઝ ધીસ વન, યસ.
Oh, okay. But it is garnished with a lot of things like.
ડોસામાં બહુ ફેન્સી ડોસાનું ચાલે છે કે લોકો ડોસામાં બહુ જ એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ કરતા હોય. તો આ એક માર્કેટની ન્યૂ ટ્રેન્ડ છે ડોસામાં.
Absolutely.
લોકો બહુ એક્સેપ્ટ કરે છે આ વસ્તુ, બહુ જ ખાય છે.
And the kind of portions that you have is that at least two people can
Yes,
eat.
yes, easily.
You know, it is not only for one guy.
With cooked cheese.
Achha. Great. So let me just try this.
Sure.
Maharaja dosa. Here the USP is this,
Yeah,
basically.
this is
Yeah. So this is what? This is the curry you said.
A pure curry with cheese and butter actually.
Cheese and butter.
This-
Okay, okay. Great. These are fantastic dishes. And now let me
पिज़्ज़ा भी ट्राई करें.
let me try this Jasuben's pizza. This is a fantastic.
Indian style
This
pizza.
is my favorite, all-time favorite. But it is really great. I mean, it reminds me of my youth. You know, this is how we started eating pizza. I think this is the hard-based pizza, and this is how we started eating pizza.
It's called perfectly the bhakri pizza.
Bhakri
And
pizza,
homemade base and cheese and with tomato gravy, spicy tomato gravy. बट काफ़ी यूनिक वस्तु है. लगभग चाल आप लोगों को पिज़्ज़ा डोमिनोज ने બધું નામ भी नहीं समझी तो तैयार ना आ लोग पिज़्ज़ा बनावे છે.
I remember, you know, in 1990, I started having this hard-based pizza, and I had my first pizza at Choice. We started out with the hard. ત્યારે તો આપણે Domino's no, we didn't
Yes,
hear
yes,
anything
yes,
about that. પેલું soft pizza નું તો concept.
અત્યારે બી ફાઇનલ સર્ટિફિકેશન્સ તમને આ પિઝા ખાઈને જ મળે છે.
Absolutely right. Absolutely right. With all this cheese, I mean, it's yummy. So guys, this is the ultimate comfort food, the bhaji pav. Okay, and आप ये bhaji pav जो है वो ये महालक्ष्मी bhaji pav का है, and the bhaji is absolutely yummy. I mean, you can see it looks yummy. The dish looks yummy. I mean, the pav is you know, dipped in butter, and bhaji absolutely it is also has a lot of butter on it, and it looks absolutely yummy. And let me go ahead and taste it. Absolutely melts in the mouth. Really nice. I think it's absolutely right. I mean, it's not very spicy and really good. Really good. Nice. And this is something which is new. Can you just explain about this? What exactly is this?
Karari rumali roti. This is crispy bread.
Okay.
ક્રિસ્પી ઇન્ડિયન બ્રેડ.
Okay.
એના પાસે શેઝવાન ને મિર્ચ ને દેશી ઘીનો તડકો મારેલો છે એના ઉપર.
Okay.
અને એને ખાવામાં તમને બહુ મજા આવશે. આ બી કાફી યુનિક વસ્તુ. આ એક આપણે કહેવાય કે રોસ્ટેડ પાપડ અને મસાલા પાપડને અલ્ટરનેટ વસ્તુ છે.
Okay.
જે હવે અત્યારે બહુ ટાઈમથી લોકો આપે છે. બહુ ફેમસ વસ્તુ છે. પણ મજા આવશે તમને.
So this has got to be eaten like papad only.
Yes, this kind of you can eat it as a starter.
As a starter.
As a starter.
Okay.
This dish belongs to Urban Eatery.
Okay.
એક નવું આઉટલેટ ચાલુ થયું છે આપણે.
Okay.
પણ એ લોકોએ આ વસ્તુ આપે છે અને બહુ મજા આવશે. લોકો કાફી તારીફ કરે છે આ વસ્તુ ખાઈ.
So when people order this particular dish, I mean, what should they order along with this dish? What do you suggest that
if
they order
you
along?
eat anything, but you eat કરારી રૂમાલી.
Oh, okay.
It's a kind of a time pass કે તમે ઓકે 15 મિનિટ તમારે ખાવામાં વાર લાગે છે ઓકે આપણે કરારી રૂમાલી ખાઈ ત્યાં સુધી.
Okay. Okay.
એનું એપેટાઇઝર કોઈ વધારે અસર નથી પડતો. તમારે એનો ડાયટમાં તમારે કંઈ કોઈ અસર નથી લાગતી. તમે એને ઇઝીલી ખાઈ શકો છો. કોઈ બી વસ્તુમાં તમે ભાજીપાવ કહો છો કરારી રૂમાલી તમે સાથે કહો છો કંઈ ફરક નથી પડવાનો.
Okay. Okay. So let me taste this. It tastes like butter and cheese and all that, you know. All the flavors are there in the mouth. And as you know, Mr. Davi was saying, it is a really good time pass. So if you are waiting for your food, instead of having papad, you can have this. Very nice. You can taste this out. This is a paneer tandoori. We're trying. I think we should try this. And of course, this is very healthy also. A lot of protein. It packs a punch of protein. Very good. So guys, people in Ahmedabad, you know, when they have midnight craving, they go to Manik Chowk to satisfy their cravings. And the kind of cravings they have is for bhaji pav and sandwich and pulao. You know, so now people don't need to go to all the way to Manik Chowk, which is in the old city. You can have it over here at Nukkad. So this is the Mahalakshmi. This is the counter for Mahalakshmi bhaji pav, pulao and sandwich. You know, you get the same taste as you get at Manik Chowk. And guys, if you have a craving for South Indian food, especially dosas, and that too Manik Chowk wala dosas, this is the counter to be. And they serve yummy dosas. You know, the ones that we had right now, I mean, absolutely yummy. The cheese open dosa and the Maharaja dosa. You can have it at this particular counter. Great place. So after tasting all those yummy dishes, I mean, if you want to satisfy your craving for something sweet, then you head to Big Scoop Cafe for this yummy ice cream dishes. And Amar Akbar Anthony, which is a combination of 3 flavors, that's chocolate, strawberry and vanilla. Let me taste all the 3 flavors together. Amar Akbar Anthony, and here Amar Akbar Anthony goes right into my mouth. Ice cream always tastes good. I mean, it is the emotion on my face which shows my love for ice cream. Who doesn't like ice cream? So this is the second flavor of ice cream from Big Scoop, and this is called American Black Cow, and it has got American muffin as a base. Okay, and it is topped with chocolate, vanilla and blackcurrant. Okay, so let me taste this. Tasting the upper part of chocolate, which is my all-time favorite. All-time favorite, nothing to say. Got chocolate chips inside, huh? Absolutely yummy. So guys, we are through with the sampling out the dishes. The dishes were absolutely fantastic, with names, with famous names who are from Manik Chowk and Law Garden. You cannot go wrong with the dishes. They have been in this industry since a long time, so the dishes are absolutely great, very yummy. And after that we had ice cream, dessert, Okay, that was also very great. So you know, so Nukkad was a great place to be. What is the meaning of Nukkad? Nukkad is a place where people hang out. People hang out, have fun, have food. And this Nukkad turned out to be great. It's a small place. It's not a very huge place. It's a small place, but it's a small, cozy place. So Nukkad, kahan par hai ye? This is at Judges Bungalow Road, opposite Atithi Restaurant, Bodakdev, Ahmedabad, and fantastic place. So we had a great time, and the food was yummy. Fantastic.